Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss 5 deadly signs of liver damage you should never ignore. Your liver is a vital organ that quietly handles hundreds of tasks to keep your body running smoothly. Ignoring the warning signs of liver damage can lead to serious, even life-threatening complications. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Number 1, yellowing of skin or eyes, jaundice. Yellowing of the skin or eyes, known as jaundice, is one of the most visible and serious signs of liver damage. It occurs when the liver is unable to effectively process bilirubin, a yellow pigment produced during the breakdown of red blood cells. When bilirubin builds up in the blood, it causes the skin, the whites of the eyes, and sometimes even mucous membranes to take on a yellowish tint. Jaundice is often associated with liver diseases such as hepatitis, cirrhosis, or bile duct obstruction, and can also indicate a rapidly progressing liver failure. Number 2, swelling in the abdomen, ascites. Swelling in the abdomen, known as ascites, is a serious sign of advanced liver damage, often resulting from conditions like cirrhosis or liver failure. It occurs when fluid accumulates in the abdominal cavity due to increased pressure in the liver's blood vessels, a condition called portal hypertension, reduced production of proteins like albumin, which help keep fluid in the bloodstream. This buildup causes the belly to appear distended or bloated and may lead to discomfort, difficulty breathing, and even infection if left untreated. Number 3, chronic fatigue. Chronic fatigue is a common yet often overlooked symptom of liver damage, marked by a persistent sense of exhaustion that doesn't improve with rest. When the liver is compromised, it struggles to filter toxins from the blood, regulate energy metabolism, and support overall body function, all of which can contribute to feeling constantly drained. This fatigue is not just regular tiredness. It can interfere with daily activities, concentration, and mood. Because it develops gradually, many people dismiss it as stress or lack of sleep. Number 4, easy bruising or bleeding. Easy bruising or bleeding is a significant warning sign of liver damage, often indicating that the liver is no longer producing enough of the proteins necessary for blood clotting. A healthy liver plays a crucial role in synthesizing clotting factors that help prevent excessive bleeding. When liver function is impaired due to conditions like cirrhosis or hepatitis, these proteins are reduced, making even minor bumps or injuries result in large bruises, frequent nosebleeds, bleeding gums, or prolonged bleeding from small cuts. This symptom should never be ignored. Number 5, dark urine and pale stool. Dark urine and pale stool can be early warning signs of liver dysfunction, often indicating that bile is not being properly processed or excreted. When the liver is damaged or bile ducts are blocked, bilirubin, a yellow pigment that's normally removed through stool, can build up in the body. This leads to urine appearing dark brown or tea-colored due to excess bilirubin being excreted through the kidneys, while stools may become pale or clay-colored because of the lack of bile reaching the intestines. These changes are commonly associated with liver conditions like hepatitis. Recognizing the early signs of liver damage can make all the difference in protecting your health. If you notice any of these symptoms, don't wait to consult a healthcare professional and take action before it's too late. So, that's it for today. Hope you learned some new stuff. If you found it interesting, take a little time and show us some love. Also subscribe for more similar content and drop below a comment mentioning where you're watching from. Would love to hear that. Thank you and see you in the next video.